So I'm going to start with an example from Unit 3. You were asked to define a procedure union that takes inputs as two lists and modifies the first input list to be the set union of the two input lists. We had the list of pages to crawl as well as the list of pages that we found linked from the current site, and we want to combine those to the new list of pages to crawl. So that's what we needed union for. So that's what we did, was define a procedure that took the two input lists and output a list that was their union. This made sense in CS 101 because we were learning about lists and how to program on lists, but doesn't make a lot of sense if your real goal is to actually do what we needed for the search engine. So for this quiz, what I want you to think about is which of the following would be the best thing to do if instead of doing this as a programming exercise to learn to program, you were trying to build a search engine and realized that what you needed to do was union the links that you had to search with the new links that you found from the current page. Here are the options. Select the one that you think would be the best one to do first.